Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix Motorola fingerprint option not working problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, tap on systems, tap on the set options, tap on the set app preference, tap on the set. Click on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on three dot menu, tap on show systems, search Motorola setting, tap on Motorola settings, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Fingerprint option not working, problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.